Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to set up Amazon PPC ads in minutes, 2025 tutorial. Let's get into it. Today, we're focusing on the quick and efficient setup of PPC ads for your Amazon listings in 2024. As sellers, we know that advertising can significantly enhance your visibility on the platform, and I'm here to walk you through this process in a simple way. Start by ensuring you have your product ready for advertising. If you're launching a new bar soap, make sure you have the ASIN at hand. Go to your campaign manager and click on Create Ad to begin the setup. You'll see options for sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. For this session, we're selecting sponsored products since it's the most straightforward way to promote individual items. Next, name your ad group. A good practice is to include the ASIN and a descriptor like exact match, which helps keep your campaigns organized. Now it's time to choose your targeting method. You can opt for automatic targeting, where Amazon picks relevant keywords for you, or manual targeting, giving you more control. Today, we'll choose manual targeting for precise control over your keywords. In the manual targeting section, enter your keywords. It's crucial to select keywords that closely relate to your product. Tools like Helium 10's Magnet can help find relevant keywords based on search volumes. After identifying potential keywords, set your bid. Amazon suggests a bid range, but it's wise to start with a lower bid to monitor performance without overspending. Adjust as necessary once you collect some data. Don't forget about negative keywords. They help you avoid certain search terms that might not be beneficial for your product. For instance, if you want to steer clear of competing against larger brands like Dove, consider adding them as negative keywords. Finally, double-check your settings before launching your ads. Once everything looks good, hit launch and start your advertising journey. And that's it. Setting up your PPC ads can be quick and straightforward with the right strategies in place. Be sure to test, track, and optimize your campaigns over time to maximize your success on Amazon. Thank you for tuning in, and let's get those ads working for you. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.